Hello, and welcome to Pod of the Week, a place where I get to share my thoughts on pods I think you need to know about. Today's podcast is a feast for the ears. I know I say that a lot, but there's so many amazing podcasts out there, but this is truly for me a sonic masterpiece. And it's called Nature Going Wild by Dr. Ray Grant. It is a multi-award winning podcast and an NAACP nominee. So it has its accolades. But the cool thing about this pod is it covers the human response to saving animals. It is our human dilemma. It is how we as humans find our space on the earth amongst all the animals and all of nature, and what we're doing to save this beautiful planet of ours. We only have one planet, and we have to do what we have to do to preserve it. And so this podcast, like I said, it's a feast for the ears. It's audio, and it is so well curated. Dr. Ray Grant has an absolutely beautiful voice, but has the uncanny ability to unpack, curate a story and mobilize you that may not have any idea of what's going on in the world. And she talks to industry experts, she chats to people that are on the ground, that's involved in these different areas, and it is absolutely fantastic. Some of the examples is the mountain lion in California. Our urbanization has encroached on their land and how they're surviving being mountain lions in the urban jungle, if you want to frame it that way. The power of water and its properties, and how global warming is affecting nature. There's so many stories about amazing people doing amazing things. Now, this podcast can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, all the major platforms. If nature is your thing, if learning about animals and learning about what is our response as humanity to preserve this beautiful planet of ours, then this is the podcast for you. So remember, pods enough for some.